Training point of sales, packing list section. Point of sales is a configuration of the ERP, not a module. That's allowed to be very flexible, and that's allowed customer service to have access to all warehouse and manager to have access to the ERP. Point of sales use packing list. The first thing is to go to administration, select the user or create a new user, give the appropriate setting like the group of privilege boutique to give the point of sale option, and to limit the access to a specific division point of sales, and packing list will be the entry page. Sales representative must be created as customer and supplier. First, we're going to set up the customer, give the appropriate currency, tax, selling price, warehouse. We're going to put the same as supplier for commission, and master will be used for report. I will log as boutique, create a new packing list. POS Diane is the sales rep. Scan a barcode, take a payment mode cash, $50, and Visa remaining. Give me tender like $60. I owe $10, and I make the receipt. We see the detail and representative, and receipt can be customized. To create a credit note, you search for customer invoice into packing list. Select the line, and with this icon, you return either in stock or other if damaged. You convert to credit note. Credit note is here, and you gotta confirm that to be able to use it. If you print, you can give the customer the credit note. To reimburse a credit note, you do a transaction without barcode, going to payment, opening credit note panel, selecting the credit note, selecting mode of reimbursement, and you print the receipt. We'll do a transaction with multiple items, scanning a barcode, adding an alteration, a non-stock item, using a credit note, selecting the mode of reimbursement because we are negative, adding a printed note. This is a final sales, and we're going to take the reference of the customer, and we have the detail. Instead of printing, you can send the receipt by email to the customer. For customer service, you can search a product and take a look to the other warehouse. Like here, I want to see what's in the main warehouse for this product in specific color, specific size. If you do a tax include sales, you can put into the sales rep the equivalent of the tax into the discount to speed up the process. This tax will be considered as a global discount instead of changing each time each item. Creating a new, scanning, and we have the tax as this global discount. You can also change the discounted price or the price included tax. You can search transaction by customer reference, by date, by sales representative, or you can sell gift certificate without tax or pay with gift certificate.